Oh, hey everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you something that I got the other day from Amazon, and I think you're going to be really interested in it. And it is a car anti-theft lock. I haven't even opened it yet, so you're going to be the first to see it. And so let's open this little guy, see if I can do this without making a mess. All right, here we go. Oh, I'll put it down here, and it looks like, oh, this is some heavy duty stuff here. We got 3 keys, 1, 2, 3. We got a little adapter here. Don't know what that's for, but we'll figure that out. But this is how it comes packaged, and you can see it. And there you are. Okay, so let's open this up. This is very, very heavy. This is heavy duty stuff. I cannot believe this. Anyway, I guess I keep pulling it out, but I can't push it back in. See here, foam handle, very heavy duty. I can see why you could use this as a weapon, definitely. Let's see what this goes for. Oh, maybe this is where you use it to put that in there and kind of smash out the window. Let's see if it, nope, nothing at the top. I was going to show you at the top. Whoop, let me see there. Okay, this is it. I guess you just hit the window, and actually you could hit the window with any of these, and it would break. Anyway, let's check out this lock here. And these keys are a little bit different. I don't know if you can see that here. Let me push it up. I'm having a hell of a time with this camera here. So anyway, I'm going to put it in the slot here. So this is not just a regular key. Okay, let me do this here. Okay. Okay, it slides right. Well, that's easy enough. Goes up and down. You lock it whatever you want. You're done. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do that again. And go down. Let's say we wanted to do it to there. And lock it. There we go. Now that's pretty sweet. And of course you know how that goes. It goes in the steering wheel and locks in. Anyway, I think this is awesome here. Now I'm thinking of getting a newer car. I've got a 2005 Ford Taurus right now. 155,000 miles, I just noticed today. I don't want to put this on there because I'm hoping somebody will steal it. Just kidding, just kidding. Anyway, this is what is going to work out really nice when I go out and get my new or almost new car. So anyway, hopefully this helps, and I don't think you can go wrong. And the price, are you kidding me? Not a problem. You're going to love this. All right. Have a good day.